Hi everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. Today's video I'm going to be decluttering my makeup drawer. Kind of organized, but lately I've just been throwing everything in there. I was keeping all my hair stuff in there, so it was just a big mess. So I hope this video gives you some motivation to get into your makeup, declutter, and make it work for you. Trust me, it is so much better to have a nice clean drawer where you're not just searching through stuff. If you are new to my channel and coming over from Y'allie's channel, I want to say hi and welcome. With that, let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm collabing with my friend Y'allie over at the Busy Bees. She's going to be decluttering and organizing her makeup too, so make sure after you watch my video, check out hers. I'll leave a link in the description and tell her hi. So I grabbed some organizers from the Dollar Tree. I bought a bunch of them a month ago and I'm going to be using a couple. And I'm just going to be taking everything out and going through everything. I know everyone's different. I do not hoard too much makeup. I usually buy what I need and throw out what I don't need. But my issue is putting things back and having a place for everything. So that was my main focus for this declutter. After everything is cleared out, I'm going to go ahead and spray this down with my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray and the rosemary scent, just to get up any makeup dust and hair that tends to collect in there. If you've ever spilled any eyeshadow, you know what I mean. I picked up this plastic organizer a few years ago at Ross. I think it was maybe $5. But it has a lot of makeup and mascara junk going on, so I'm going to wipe that down and make sure it's nice and clean. I tend to leave my hair ties kind of all over the place, so I do have a drawer for them, and I'm going to be putting them back where they should be so they're all in one spot. Now that everything is all clean, I'm going to start putting things back. I want to do this in a way that is easiest for me, so I'm starting with like face stuff, lotion, wipes, and kind of go in order from there on how I do my makeup. Again, you want to make this work for you, and this makes sense to me. I'm going to try to just use one item at a time and put it back as I go. As for the Dollar Tree organizers, I'm going to use one for my little sponges, the other for brushes, and then the last one for kind of longer items, my lipstick, mascara, eyeliner, that kind of thing. At the end of the video, I'll kind of slow down and show you a little bit more closely what I put in here. If you've seen any of my other declutter and organize videos, you know it kind of takes me a couple times to find the right spot for everything. So that's why you see me kind of making a puzzle. I'm just trying to figure out what is the best area for each item. I found this little box at the Dollar Tree, and I haven't been able to find a similar one since. It was a few months ago, but I like to keep all my eyelash stuff in there, the glue, and then for my eyelashes, I like to cut them up while they're still in the plastic and stack them on top of each other so you don't have that big piece hanging about. Now for all my hair tools, I do wrap the cord around them, and I do keep them in this little Dollar Tree bin. I'm going to be clearing a space under the sink, which I will show you coming up, but it's just out of the way and I don't have to worry about putting makeup in the same bin. So these items I don't use all the time. It's just like a face mask and some self-tanner, so I'm going to put this away in the bin and clear space for all my hair stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna show you again what my drawer looked like before. Just a total mess. Everything's thrown everywhere. You can't tell where anything is. And here is the after. Alright, so as you can see, everything has its own home again. It makes sense for my morning routine. Again, you want to make this work for you, so that's why I put things in certain order, and I don't have to fumble around anymore or search and throw things all in here. It was just a disaster and it was stressing me out. So this is so much better, and I'm so happy I was able to get this done. I really hope this video gave you some motivation to get into your makeup drawer and organize it and make it work for you. I can't even explain how much happier I am with this. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I hope that you consider subscribing, and please don't forget to check out Yali's channel over at the Busy Bees. Her link will be in the description, and let her know that you're coming from my channel and say hi, and give her a big thumbs up and subscribe as well. Thank you again so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.